I welcome all of you. Professor Sunil Umarao, the Faculty of Journalism and Mass Communication Department, Allahabad University, Prayagraj. Now I request our Director Sir to facilitate Professor Umarao with bouquet and shawl. Now we request Dr. Suryakumar Pandey Sir to introduce the speaker of today's program.
He has held his solo photo exhibition in the prestigious galleries of the country. I invite Dr. Umarao to deliver his address.
How new media is impacting our lives and how it really is going to change the way museum communication is going to take place in near future. It's one of the most wonderful documentary of the world. And if you have not seen it, you should see it. It's about 1.5 hour film, and it's without any word. So it's a wonderful film, and it's an innovative in way that it does not use voiceover, it does not talk down, tells the power of visual. So you just see the films to just get you into the mood of what I'm going to talk about.
A cinema experience unlike any other. The power, rage, and essence of life itself.
So this film, very well engages, it does not give a very ethnocentric, no, it's not a Western-oriented film, it's not Eastern-oriented film. It picks out element, and it even does not discriminate between animal life. It gives equal importance to the monkey, to man. Man may be smarter and brighter, but the animals also have a right, like ecological things. Professor Manav was talking to me about when we were going around the campus. The images, the minimum of words and other things, and the way it communicates, it's a very important. So the exhibits has to engage wider audiences. Otherwise, people run through the museums. How many people are on Facebook? One. Very few old people, all with white hair. How many people are on Instagram? Why you are on Instagram and why they are on Facebook? I find Facebook also very interesting. I'm on Facebook. I put photographs daily and every day and every time. See the use of interface of visionary, lighting, ambience, the relation between artifacts, allowing you so freely. Like he said, I will allow you to live in the. Paintings are still now making use of animation. Magnitude of size. See the size of human form. Now this is called immersive reality. Anybody would enjoy it. You don't need a lot of brains to do it. You feel colors, you feel the emotion. You feel some of that. You feel some experience.
What was left inside on that starry night.
India, every landscape is full of culture. We are unappreciative of it. We are unable to recognize it. Even Indian films make mockery of our tribals. यहाँ 3 लाल लगाएंगे, 3 सफ़ेद लगाएंगे, हू हा करेंगे. They don't understand the language also. Very beautiful languages they have it. So we have tried to, what he talks about snake charmer's image. Our media has also tried to propagate it. Even अभी भी बहुत serials में यही दिखाते हैं. Rather than knowing how they communicate. Very few, I was going through all movies of at least Hindi. I could see only 2-3 movies which have really tried to make a film around the tribal culture. They have modernized it. Hema Malini and Shashi Kapoor are the heroes and heroines. But they followed the principles, they followed the rules of a tribal culture in the whole movie. विच आप दिखा रहे हैं तो उसका रियलिस्टिक दिखाओगे तो बच्चे को फिर उसको महसूस होगा। अगर हम फिल्म में उसको मजाक का पात्र बनाएंगे तो आप जब उनके पास जाओगे तो आपके लिए मजाक का पात्र रहेंगे। तो ये हमारी गलतियां हैं जो हम बताते हैं, ना हमारी किताबें इनको सही से बताती हैं, ना हमारे टीचर्स। यहाँ पे यही चाहेंगे कि आप लोग कहानियाँ इस पे लिखें। वी पब्लिश हियर, but I want stories which are, how do you see it here? So for the children and the teachers, thank you for coming out, and thank you Sunil for taking out time. So thank you all.